Assalamu alaikum dear student. Unit number 1 exercise. Question number 1, define science. Describe how the nature of science make it different from the other modes of knowing. Answer आपके पास definition. The word science is originated from Latin word seneta, which means to know. It is an organized form of knowledge obtained by observation and experimentation. Explanation: it is the knowledge which is systematic, tested and brought under general principle. It helps to understand and describe various processes and phenomena which are taking place around us. For every branch of knowledge there is a specific way to study it. In order to study science, we use scientific method of study. This systematic approach to the study of science has made it different to other branches of knowledge like history, literature, etc. Scientific method involve collecting data, developing hypotheses about the data, and then testing those hypotheses with experimentation. This practical approach in science to issue related to our day-to-day problem has made it unique from other branches of knowledge. Question number 2 है हमारे पास, write the contribution of 3 famous scientists of Pakistan. Dr. Abdul Salam, he was born in 1926. He was a world-famed physicist and was awarded Nobel Prize. His contribution was the presentation of theory of unification of 2 of 4 basic forces governing the universe. It was great achievement in the discipline of physical science. Second है Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. He was born in 1936. He is the world famed Pakistani nuclear scientist who excelled in the field of enrichment of uranium. Along with other scientists, he successfully tested the nuclear device at Chaghi in Balochistan on May 28, 1998. He established research laboratories. जो हमारे पास इसने कहाँ पे रिसर्च लेबॉर्ट्री किया है, घाटा में, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, KRL भी बोलते हैं. डॉक्टर अशफाक अहमद खान, he was born in 1930. He is an eminent nuclear scientist of Pakistan and remained chairman of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission for 10 years. He established Global Change Impact Studies Center. In recognition of his service, he was awarded the highest civil award of Nishan-e-Imtiyaz by the government of Pakistan. तो ये 3 साइंटिस्ट है आपके पास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है आपके पास, मुस्लिम साइंटिस्ट मेड सिग्निफिकेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन इन द फील्ड ऑफ साइंस. राइट सम ऑफ द प्रोमिनेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ जाबिर बिन हयान, Abu Ali Sina and Ibn Haytham in the field of science. Jabir bin Hayyan is considered to be the father of chemistry. He had established his own laboratory. He invented sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid and several other important compounds. Jabir bin Hayyan defined reaction as a union of the element together in small particles that cannot be seen with naked eyes. His contribution to chemistry also includes some important scientific techniques such as crystallization, distillation, sublimation and evaporation. Ibn Haytham, he is a famous physicist of all times. He gave the basic principle of reflection and refraction of light. He worked on lenses and explained the working of eye. His famous book Kitabul Manzar was translated into Latin. He is considered the father of optics. Abu Ali Sina was the greatest scientist of his time. He wrote more than 100 books about medicine, philosophy and literature. His famous book about medicine, Al-Qanun fil Tibb, was described as a textbook in medical institute of Europe till 17th century. In his famous book Al-Shifa, he made useful contribution to physics, chemistry, arithmetics, biology, and even music.